All the good intentions we threw reckless into the night. The promise of a forever we could not hold. The prayers we offered up to God. The goodbye that came anyway. Our hearts are heavy with knowing that this is the door of no return. A place we cannot go back to. Words we can't chase back into our mouths. All that we built just to take down again, brick by brick. This us that leaves like a passing breeze, like the scent of rain coming. We point one finger to the sky like one last offering before we draw this line in the sand. Here, at the crossroad of our lives, where you go one way and I the other, where we cast our memories like salt behind us, for good luck, for mercy, for peace, for the grace to forget. When there are no more tears, the sky will cry for us. Wash away this ash from all the things we lost in this fire. Wash the scarlet letter from our chests. Wash this guilt we wear like second skin. So bless this rain for its new beginnings, for the way it makes clean all we have stained, for its gentle hands, for its persistence, for the way it holds us like a love that does not end. So bless this rain.